Hi, how are you?
I want to ask you, how are you today?
Today I am excited.
What will we do today?
So now we have the question of the day.
What type of music do you like?
I love playing music.
How do you feel when dancing?
I feel happy and nervous when dancing.
Excellent.
Do you like reading books, Ariane?
Yeah, I love reading.
Find something black and white.
I want you to run.
I got a fish, and it's spider.
1, 2, 3, and 4. Just 2 more.
1 point for team 2.
Congratulations to both of you.
Great job! Great job! Woo.
Excellent job.
And see you next week.
See you next week. And thank you so much for coming to the class.